Welcome to my shed. Come in. So whenever you're gonna be free riding and whenever you're gonna be touring, you're gonna need a 3-layer jacket. So the jacket I wear today, that's the one I wear all the time. It's the A CAD Futurelight jacket. The main thing with a shell jacket is that it's going to protect you from the wind and all the humidity, moisture, rain, snow, all of that. It's light, packable, and you can combine it with any type of other layers. It's got a really long cut and long sleeve, so in deep snow it's going to be really helpful to stop the snow coming in. When riding powder, I like to always wear the jacket over the glove, tuck, and have it tight. In mega storms, don't hesitate to put your hood up over your helmet. Big pockets, lots of space. I usually try to avoid putting my phone into my shell jacket. First of all, because it's not insulated, so it gets cold and runs out the battery. And also because it's going to be quite close to my transceiver, so I usually try to have my phone as far away from it, so I would put it into my pants at the opposite of my transceiver. The mesh, great spot for the skins. Lift pass, radio, goggle wipe. So wash your jacket regularly and it will help to maintain its waterproofness. When you're washing your jacket, make sure you've got all the zips closed and all the velcros that are locked in a fully tight position. If you see that the water is not beating anymore onto your jacket, then you can spray a little coat of DWR. And if you find one that's ecological, even better. And last but not least, watch out your edges. They might scrape the side of your jacket. In the next episode, we're gonna see how to repair properly a 3-layer jacket. Et voila, 3 layers jackets are the bomb. So look after yours with your heart and it will look after you for all your adventures. Enjoy the ride.